Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Well, let's see what happened here with GJ. Where do we have the Forex Factory? Forex Factory today, Thursday, at 2 o'clock. In about 45 minutes, we will have news on all the pairs with GBP. That's why I said I suggest you not to trade right now all the pairs with GBP, because you don't know exactly how the news will be released, if they are good or bad. If the GJ, for example, one of my favorite pair, it will continue to go up or not. Let me see also GU, where is it? GU, here, GBPUSD. Also this one, it went up a little bit, but let's see where they want to go. And I want to remind you, maybe you saw how difficult it's right now to trade, and how let's say it's a real big chaos right now in the market, and I suggest you not to trade with a big lot size. I want you to stay calm, or maybe you don't trade at all and you wait, because we still have a lot of days in front of us, and we can trade, I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe after 1 week, and so on. So I think nobody's pushing you right now to have a trade. And if you have this kind of pressures in your back, you should release yourself from these pressures, because you will end up losing money. I don't know if you know what I mean, but when you have these kind of pressures, you will not be able to be profitable, and you should be very calm, and you should wait for your let's say best entry. We have here Dragon Rider. I subscribed. Hi Dragon, or I don't know, Rider, how do you want me to call you? Welcome. Okay, so coming back to GJ, it went where I said, okay, in my mind, okay, where I have marked up my chart, and I'm still believing that GJ, it may continue to go up to 152.900. Even if the price, it may come down, I still believe that the price should continue to go higher. And also I'm looking like right now the price is like doing, let's say, break and retest, and it's retesting some let's say some zones, and the price is continuing its way. So I do believe that, for example, if I'm going to put GJ in a line right here, okay, if I will put a trend line, not a line, I think it's also easier for you to understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, it's something like this. Okay, so I do believe that right now GJ is playing, okay, in this area from here, and I do believe that GJ, it should come down to retest again this area of 152, okay, and from here it's like coming back down, grab some liquidity, and then up again. Why do you say that my sound is very low? Because I'm speaking very loud. I don't have any problems with my mic. I have changed, I mean, my God, everything, my computer. I have changed my monitor. I have changed everything, my mouse. So I have changed everything not to have this kind of problems. Maybe Zul, you should check your computer. I don't know. And you don't want me, you want me to scream? Because if you want me to scream, I can scream. I'm a woman, you know, and we are crazy, and we can do this kind of stuff. So one guy is saying here that, can you please tell your idea again on GU? Well, where is GU? It's here. And then we are going back to GJ. So first of all, I told you, when you are trying to do something, go on the Forex Factory, okay, and check what news do you have. After that, go on the currency strength meter if you want to check it or not, and like this you will see what the pairs are trying to tell you, if they are stronger or not. For example, right now it says that in your case with GU, the pound is strong and the USD, let's say, it's weaker, okay? But this, it doesn't mean that GU, it will continue to go higher right now. It's very difficult to, let's say, that to predict what can happen, because we have news in about, I don't know, 40 minutes. If I'm looking on the 4-hour, I can see that right here, okay, right here, it's like the price is rejecting from this area, okay? In the same time, I have to put also here a line, and it's telling me that here the price created like a support and the price came back up again to retest this area of 1.434, okay? I do believe that if the price on the 4-hour is going to break above this area of 139, what do we have here, 140, I do believe that the price should continue to go higher to retest again this zone. I know it sounds crazy, but it can be possible, okay? Anything can be possible in Forex market. Let's go on the daily and let me check. Yeah, the thing is that here it looks like, okay, the price is trying to continue to go higher, and here it's like the price created where we have this path, as you can see here, 1, 2. What does it say to you? This, it says a double a W, okay? So this what happened with GU on the daily, and that means that we still have room to continue to go higher, okay? First of all, because GU closed above, okay, it closed above what we have here, and now if it's going to break this area, then it's going to continue again to retest again this zone. So it's very, very simple. Now coming back to, where is it? Okay, coming back to what we have here, this is on the daily. Let me go on the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, if it's going to break this area and close above, and also on the 1-hour, also on the daily, then you have the confirmation that the price should continue to go higher. I think that, and I suggest you to wait for the best opportunity for you today, because right now all the pairs with GBP, they are bouncing up and down because the news, they has to be released in about half an hour, okay, 28 minutes. And if it's going to reject through this area, then it has to come back down again, okay? Don't think that it's going to be a huge move, but a move of, I don't know, 30, 40 pips, we will have it, okay? Ibanez, James, I don't know how to read your names, okay? Good morning. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I suggest you to wait. I suggest you not to force any trade. I suggest you to learn more, because right now we are in a very, very strange position in the market because of the news, because of the virus, because of the vaccine, because everything that is happening around the world, okay? Right now, there is no, let's say, equilibrium. I don't know how to call it. And everything in every country it's like you find some mess and you have to wait, okay, for the best opportunity. That's why sometimes I don't trade for 1 week or 2 weeks. I mean, nobody's pushing me. Maybe you are trading because you want money, but if you want to have money, some money, you have to go and take a job, and this with forex should be your second let's say like your second income, okay? So you should be a full-time trader only when you have a lot of experience and a lot let's say a lot of income, okay? So don't trade like this just for fun, because believe me, you will end up losing money. About Euro USD, it seems like right now, this is on the 30-minute, it's like created a support, okay? And this it happened because we have this stuff from here, okay? All the time you have to look on the left side. This is on the 30-minute. It's possible that the price to come through this area from here to do like a retest and then to come back down even more. Usually when you see these kind of candles, okay, they are so long, or maybe they are from some news, usually they are corrected, okay, or maybe half. All the time you will see this. So we have two possibilities right now, that the price, it may break through this area and come back down again to this zone, okay, of 1.19 129 area, what we have here, okay? You cannot put something let's say at the exact number, okay? You have to put it, that's why we'll call it area, a zone, somewhere in that around that numbers, okay? Good. So from here on the 1 hour, it seems like it's still rejecting from this area, but the price can push up again from to here where I have put my resistance, and from here to come back down even more. Let me go on the 4 hour, and on the 4 hour, yes, it did like half of the correction from here, and the price, it seems like it's rejecting the second time from this zone. So it means that the price should continue to go even higher, okay? So this is what I see on the higher time frames, okay? So I think that the best confirmation, you can find them on the higher time frames, like 4 hour, daily, weekly, and so on. So also for this pair on the daily, if I'm going to this one, you can see also a W. Where is it? You see what it did? So it's simple. If it's going to break through this area, okay, then the price, it may continue to retest again the zone of 120, 1.20, 357, what we have here, okay, somewhere here. So this is what I see with Euro USD. Also this weekend I will start to do the weekly analysis, because last week I didn't have time to do them, and I really want to do this weekly analysis, also to share them with you on the YouTube and also here on the group chat, for you to know and maybe to have an idea what may happen next week, okay? And of course I want to see exactly what's going on and what possibilities we have for buy or a sell. Okay, and now I was saying about Euro USD. So my opinion is that the price should continue to go higher. I say this because we have these two rejection from here. The price here like created like a support, okay? Sorry, created like a resistance. Let me do it bigger for you to understand. Okay, Pretty sure that the price should continue to retest again this area of 1.19, let's say 550. Another friend, he said EU please, and EU NZD USD, I think you want to say. There are some pairs that I really don't trade them, but yeah, this one I have it here. Why do you trade these kind of pairs? I mean, I really ask these questions because I really want to know what's going on in your head, you know? Why do you trade that pair? Well, this one, NZD New Zealand with the USD, probably it has to come back down again here. This is on the 4-hour chart, and this one it may come back again, you see here, to retest again this area, so you don't have too much room to play right now, and maybe from here to reject and come back up more. And I'm saying this because all the candles are closing higher, and also this one is closing higher than this one. What we have here, AUD USD, where is it? AUD CAD, AUD USD, and this one the same. I think you have to wait and see what this pair, what's going on with AUD. It seems like right now it's strong, and the other one no. So I do believe that this one, it should reject from this area and to retest again the 0.78493. So I have the same idea with the both. Okay, so I don't know. I mean, I really don't like. Okay, George, what do you think? What do I think about what? What? Ask me about what pair. Let's see, EURJPY. EURJPY is rejecting right now from this area. This is on the 4-hour. This is on the 1-hour. Everything is so messy. Everything went up too much or down too much. And I think that we should wait. I mean, it's better to have some free days, like free days in my mind. It's like you learn, okay, you don't trade. Because like this, you will not end up losing money, because right now the probability to lose money is higher than not to lose, okay? James, what do you say here? What are your favorite pairs? My favorite pair, because it's only one, it's GJ, and this pair I like to trade it, and I said it many times, and maybe you are new here, and I will tell you to you too. So you should trade your pairs, and you should choose your pairs according to what session you are trading, okay? Because I like very much GJ, I can trade it in the Asia session, London session, okay? So in the Asia session, because we have the GPY, and in the London session because we have the pound, and also I can trade it in the New York session because in the New York session you can trade them both. So I have choose a pair that is very volatile, that you can trade it in all sessions, okay? Although I don't trade the Asia session because I'm sleeping, but it gives me a very good opportunity to catch some nice pips, and I suggest you to choose some pairs that you can trade them, I don't know, in London session and New York session. I don't understand why people are choosing New Zealand USD. And okay, you can trade them because you are, let's say, you will be in the New York session soon, but I don't see any movement right now, and I really don't like them because they are not so volatile. Okay, you have to wait a lot of time for them to make a movement. For example, at GJ or EURJPY, which is similar with GJ, they are moving, or Euro USD or Euro GBP, which is, let's say, like the opposite of GJ, or Euro AUD. AUD, it's also very violent, and with the AUD it's like um, um, I don't know how to tell you right now, but I will translate it and I will tell it to you later. What's wrong also with AUD? It's like a tool to measure like what's going on in the world. I don't know how to explain you. I will try to find the best words and going to Google to translate it and to tell it to you. Okay, so there are some pairs that you should know if they fit you. You know, don't try to trade gold if you don't have experience. We had and we still have a guy that he lost his account because he didn't want to listen, and he traded so much in gold, and I think without any stop loss, and it was a chaos. So I know a lot of people that they lost their accounts because they're trying to trade gold. I know you can make a lot of money with gold, but in the same time you can lose your account with gold. Okay, so don't trade that pair. This is my best advice that I can give it to you. Okay, try to take pairs that you can trade them, let's say, and they are easier to trade. Okay, don't mess around with this kind of pairs. Look right now what's going on with GJ, and let's see if the price is going to come from here, okay, to another 27 pips to come back down here, and maybe at the news the price to shoot it up again. So again, if you still have any questions, I will answer to you. I really suggest you not to trade right now the GBP pairs because we have news and you don't know exactly what data they will release, and you have some possibility for the, I don't know, the probability to lose some money is higher, you know. I really don't like to trade news. I trade it only if I feel very, very confident. And right now, for example, at GJ, I don't know what to say. I mean, okay, it rejected here, it came back down. Second time, right here, it's like rejected second time too, okay? And right now it seems like it's in a range zone and nothing it's doing right now very special. I'm thinking that the price may come back down here, and maybe in the next hour the price to shoot even higher. We don't know, but this is one of my idea. Maybe I'm wrong, and maybe the price will break through this trend line and then to come back down here. I don't know. I mean, anything is possible, but we just have to wait for the best confirmation. Okay, so also, as you can see right now, I'm not trading anything, and I didn't because it's very crazy. I mean, I prefer not to trade than to take something which it doesn't give me a profit. Okay, so I prefer to stay calm. I prefer to read more, to try new strategies, to try my ideas, to see what the market gives me, to see where I'm wrong, to see if I'm right, and all this kind of stuff, you know. I mean, I prefer to learn than to lose money. So because nobody is pushing you out from your houses, I don't know how to say, and maybe you have something to eat, I don't see any pressure on your back why you should trade. Okay, so I suggest you, if you want to trade also on the let's say on the news, I believe that you still have some demo accounts, and there you can play how long um, how long you want, you know. I do have also a demo account, and there I put my strategies, but don't think that I have a let's say how do you say, I didn't start with 50,000 or something like this. No, I start with a decent amount of money, which is realistic, and I said to myself, let me see if this kind of strategies, they are profitable, and they can help me to grow. Okay, Georgie, you were saying something, but I can see that you left. I don't know, you don't want to say anything else. Oh, my chair, it's like moving so bad. So I have told you about my favorite pairs. Okay, it's not favorite pairs, it's only one. And okay, if we will say other pairs, I can say EURJPY because it's similar to GJ. Okay, so I don't want to look mean, or I don't want to sound crazy to you, but I really suggest you to learn to this period. And all the time I say to all the students and all the people that are coming here live to learn, because imagine, I'm learning too. Okay, I'm learning too every day. I'm learning also from my mistakes. I'm trying to understand why did I give a sell or why did I give a buy, because you don't go in the forex market and you say, oh, buy sell, and you took profit. No, it must have a logic. Okay, when you are doing something, I mean, everything must have a logic. Okay, so I think we should wait for the best opportunity that market gave us. And I repeat myself all the time, you have to wait, and 10% of the time you trade a buy, and another 10 it's for sell, and 80% of the time you wait. Okay, so this is the 15-minute chart on the GJ, and I really want to see what's going on at the news, and we still have I think about 20 minutes. Okay, so we will have the official bank rates, okay, the monetary policy, and again the official bank rate. So maybe it will be I don't know, the same like what happened last time. So maybe nothing will happen, we don't know, because sometimes I saw also some news with the red flag and nothing happened. Okay, so maybe from here the price will do nothing more, and maybe reject from here, come back up, and maybe later on come back down even more. We don't know, but I saw situation that the price is moving exactly when you leave the market, or when you say that, okay, I was not right, I'm going to leave the market, and then I cannot see anything else. What do you say, Georgia? I can share my chart. Well, yeah, I said that I should start also that Zoom with you. I don't know, usually, I mean, normally you should send charts. Okay, I don't understand why it's not working, but you can tell me I don't know what pair, and we will have a look together. Okay, I don't understand, maybe this is a Russian name. Will news also affect the Swiss franc? No. What does it do, the Swiss franc with the pound? I mean, the pound is the pound, and the Swiss franc is the Swiss franc. So They are not correlated and they don't have anything in common, okay? So no, you should try to read also what pairs are correlated, what pairs they move in the same time, why do they move in the same time, and all this kind of stuff, you know. That's why don't try to become heroes. That's why you should go and learn new things. Like um, our friend here, he asked me if the news will affect another pair. That's why I said take everything logic and go and learn, okay? Because this will help you to grow as a forex trader. You should know everything that's moving on the market. Why that pair is moving like this, why the other one is moving in the opposite way, why the price is going up, and so on. So try to put yourself in the best position to make money, not to lose money. Okay, it's normal and it's logical that you will lose some money in the forex market. It's impossible to be 100% sure and to be 100% profitable. But you can, if you know how to manage your money, and let's say from 3 trades, 2 of them they are in profit and only one, let's say it hit stop loss, then you have a profitable day. So like this you have to think, and you have to cut your losses, okay? So don't let the price hit your stop loss. When you see that the price is not going into your favor, cut 50% from the trade, and so on. So there are some little tricks that you should learn them, you know, like a forex trader. And you don't just have to put how do you say, market order, okay, and let the price do whatever it wants. And maybe sometimes use also I mean, some traders, they don't use stop loss and they will end up losing more money. Okay, so until the news will be released, I want to go to also to EURJPY again to see what's going on, and this is on the 30-minute, and I can see that nothing really special it's happening right now. Let me see something. So coming back to Georgia, if you want to say something, you can say it. I mean, if you cannot send a chart, it's fine. You can tell me, and we can have a look on that pair that you were saying. Maybe you are saying something about GJ, I don't know. So EURJPY, also on the 30-minute, it has more room to come back down, okay, and maybe to retest 130, and from here maybe to go even deeper. That's why, as you can see, I have put an alert. So this is like how I'm trading, okay? I am waiting the price to do something. I am waiting the price to cross an area. For example, if EURJPY, it's going to cross this area where I have put my alert, and maybe it's going to reject from this zone, then in my mind I know exactly what I have to do. That I should have, let's say, like a buy, okay? So somewhere from here I should have a buy. Until that time I'm not touching EURJPY because I don't have any reasons, okay? So like this you should try also to trade for your own, you know. When you have trades on your own, okay, without me or maybe without any other traders, try to put some alerts, because that's why we have them here, okay, on the trading view. Try to put them and to know exactly what you will do in that moment that the price will cross that area. So in my mind it's like, if the price is going to come back down here, okay, and maybe to let's say if I see a rejection from this area, then definitely I could have a buy. Okay, so this is like on the 1 hour chart. So George, he's saying Euro GBP chart. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. This is the 1 hour. Let me go on the daily. I think you had an early a sale on Euro GBP. Is that right? Because I really do remember that you have sent something on the chart, on the chat room, that you had a sale on this one, and I think another pair, and you took some profit. And if I am right, please tell me, because after that I want to ask you something. Okay, so this is the resistance, okay, on the daily. And if I'm going on the left side, I can see that from here, okay, that's why the price also rejected. If I'm putting here, okay, if I'm taking, come on, what's going on? Oops, everything is blocked here. As you can see here, so so we have to look all the time on the left side to see what's wrong here, okay, with the price, why it's rejected and so on. So it seems like until here the price came back down, okay, and there is a higher probability for the price to reject, okay, and to come back up again. But in the same time, because also we have news and we don't know exactly what the price will do at that moment. Oh, come on, what are you doing here? Okay, there is another possibility that the price, it should break through this area and come back down even more, okay. Let me see. So if you ask me right now, this is on the 4 hour, it looks like it's in a range area, okay, and you took that sell and you did it very well, and I think your take profit was somewhere here at 0.85 400 area, I think somewhere there, I don't know, and I'm very happy. I can say that George, he was one of my students, and he started to become very profitable. Only today he took 2 trades on his own, and he took profit, and I can say that I am very proud of him. But now I want to ask you, what do you have in your mind right now? Because you said that you wanted to send a chart and you cannot. You want to have a buy, or you want to have a sell, or why do you want to trade? Because if I do remember, when I was at the courses with you, I said that don't have more than 1 or 2 trades a day, and you had already your trades. So I think today for you is just learning, because you had 2 trades in profit, and I think that you should not push your luck more, okay. I want you to become more confident and to understand that sometimes you have to wait for the best, let's say, for the best new opportunity, okay. So yeah, we have to wait. I mean, we still have 7 minutes to see what's going on right now. At the moment, the price is rejecting this area, but there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go even deeper, okay? Because right now, also with Euro GBP, we are in a downtrend, and with GJ uptrend. Well, you see, a very good student. Georgie, he said, no more trades, I'm done. Very good. I'm very, very, very proud of you. I mean, I can say that you are one of my best students right now, and I'm very happy that you really trade according to your trading plan, because I have put you to make a trading plan. And when you can also increase your lot size, but keep the same amount of pips, okay? And keep the same amount of trades, maybe 1 or 2 trades a day, okay? So this is why this is what I have teach them, and I can see that they are profitable. So let me see, GJ. I think nothing will happen. We still have 5 minutes. It's really crazy today. I mean, I prefer to go out to walk in the park, even if it's raining outside, than to have a trade, because it doesn't give me how you say, the comfort zone, okay? It's not in an area where I feel good to have a trade. So in my mind, yes, I do believe that this pair GJ should continue to go up, but I do believe that it has to fall a little bit to grab some liquidity and then back up. So what I have done here with the trend lines, okay, with this channel, because right now it seems like the price is in the channel, I can say that I can be right that the price can come back to this area, retest again this trend line, and then back up even higher. But we should see. I am in EURJPY buy. Please check why you are in EURJPY, Mohammed. I mean, when, for example, you see, Mohammed, he didn't had courses with me. Georgie, he did. Georgie, he had, how you say, a profit trade, okay, in EURJPY. He was in the right time on the market. And now Mohammed, he didn't do courses with me, but he is in a buy. So it's not that I can say that I am a wow, you know, you will know everything from me, but the fact that you are taking some lessons and you will understand some new things, you will understand also at what time you should be in the market, at what time you should exit from the market, and when to come back to have another trade, maybe in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or maybe next week. So Mohammed, you're saying that you are in a buy right now also on the 30-minute, but imagine if in 2 minutes the price will reject from this area and come back down. We don't know exactly what can happen to the news. Maybe the price will come to retest at this area and maybe to reject even more. We don't know. I cannot say anything. I can tell you after the news will be released that what the price can do right now, okay? So if I'm going on the daily, I can say that, okay, we have a lot of rejections, but we have also a lot of rejections from the upside, okay? But if I am going on the weekly, okay, we have touched this crazy zone from here, but if we still have momentum and if still GJ it will continue to go up, then this one it should continue to go down. And if you remember at the beginning of our session from today, I said that when you see this kind of big candles like this, okay, they usually are filled, okay, This we call them clean candles. So at one point of time, you will see that all this move was corrected. Okay, at the beginning I told you you will see half of the correction. Okay, so this is like break and retest, and the price rejected from here and continue to go up again to retest again that area. So you should look them again like this. Okay, so remember, when you see these big candles like this, or candles that they are big from news, usually they are corrected. Okay, so I don't know what to tell you. We still have 30 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and let's see what's going on. I can see I can see that this one is going up, and GJ maybe it's pushing down, so we don't know. I really don't know what to tell you, because we are exactly in the period with the news. Or maybe nothing will happen. I just go to GJ because I like it more. And now the new hour candle just started. It closed above this area, and this one is like trying to push up, but maybe it's just like grabbing liquidity and coming back down, and maybe it's retesting this area that I was talking about. Well, let's see. I don't want to say stupid things, okay? So what type of courses do you have? Well, if you go to my website, you will find there all the details, all the information about my courses. Definitely they will be one-to-one, because I work only like this with my students, because I want you to ask me questions and me in the same time to answer you. Okay, maybe you cannot understand some things, and you should ask me all the time, and so on. So my courses are based on the price action, and in about how to read the candles, because I do believe that they do tell a story. And if you know how to read them, okay, definitely you can predict where the price can go. Okay, so I teach you risk management, and I teach you how to become profitable. And all the people that they took courses with me, they started to become profitable, and they started to be more confident, and I'm pretty sure that now they are using a bigger lot size. Okay, and definitely they are using a stop loss. So now GJE did exactly what I thought. Okay, so it's coming back to this area, and if I see that the price it's really rejecting from this zone, okay, I'm not talking all about this one, maybe it can push a little bit down, okay, to 151,899, or maybe the price is not even closing, and maybe from here is just going to reject and come back up. We don't know, but I have told you my idea. That's why I have also put GJ here with the trend line, okay, in this channel, because I saw it like this. I said, okay, it's rejecting from here, it's rejecting from here, so I do believe that the price should come back down here, and from here to reject and to come back up even more. So if this one it came back down, it means that EURJPY it came back up. Okay, so if this one it came back up, I do suggest you, Mohammed, to close your trade, or maybe to secure your trade, to put your stop loss at the break even. I don't know where was your entry, but like this you can protect your money. What time frame do you use the most to place your trades? I usually, when I am sending signals, or when I'm trading on my own without you, okay, and when I teach the students, I do it like this. For example, I'm going to the GJ, I can say that the best time frame to trade it's 4 hour, okay? But on the 4 hour, I can say that you need confirmation from the 1 hour, 30 minute, and the lower confirmation on the 15. Because I'm doing live session with you, I cannot stay with you on the 4 hour chart because it will be, let's say, a little bit boring because the candles will not do much, okay? On the 1 hour, the candle is still moving. On the 30 minute, the candle is moving, and you can see that it gives me the best, the same confirmation, okay? I like to stay on the live session on the 15 and 30 minute because the candles are moving faster, and like this, you will understand also the small confirmation. So I do trade on the 4 hour and 1 hour, and with a confirmation on the 30 minute and 15, okay? So here I can say that we still have what we have here, another 25 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and let's see what happened here with the news. What's wrong? Yeah, so they are like I told you, they are the same, okay? As you can see, everything is the same, nothing really special. So the price didn't do too much, but I do expect that the price should reject from somewhere from this area, and maybe to continue to retest again, or maybe even higher, where I have put my resistance at 152,900 area, and this one you can find it if you go in the higher time frames on daily and weekly and so on. So I suggest you to trade on the higher time frames like the 4 hour and with the smaller confirmation, okay? I have closed it in profit, thanks. Well, very good. It's good when you have profits because you feel better and you feel more confident, and maybe you will take the same strategy next time, okay? So that's why I say that you should take the same time, the same strategy, take the same thing that you see, and it's impossible not to make some profit, okay? So EURJPY, it's still trying to push up. It was very good to how you say, to move your stop loss at the break even and wait for the price to give you the best confirmation, okay? So right now it seems like the price is really rejecting again this area, and maybe it will push even higher, and maybe it will play again around this zone. As you can see here, if I'm putting like, let's say, like a box, we are really in a very strong and very stupid in the same time area. This is a range area, and I suggest you not to trade it at all now because I saw it on the 4 hour. So coming back to GJ, I really want to see if the price is, my god, I don't know why I didn't took the sell. Okay, I didn't because there were the, how you say, the news first of all, and the second, the price closed above the line that I have put and not under, okay? So this is one of the main issue that I had. So maybe the price should reject somewhere from this zone, or maybe to come back down to retest again this area, to create like a wick, and then to come back up even more. So for those that they really want to trade GJ, for example, they should wait for the best entry to come to this candle, and if they see any buy, they can go, okay? If not, don't try to take stupid things. Don't you think GJ is ready for a buy scalp? I don't think right now, because it's the impulse. I mean, it's after 8 minutes after the news. Anything can happen right now. But I have said my idea, and maybe I am right, okay? So I was right that the price should come back down to this area, reject from this trend line, and then to come back up again. I don't take it right now because it passed almost not even 10 minutes from the news. So I tell you, anything can happen. I can trade it after 1 hour, or maybe I don't trade it at all. I mean, nothing is pushing me, you know, to trade. If you want to trade it, you can. But I think you already took some profit, okay? And I think that you don't want to lose it on the GBPY, you know, because you don't know what will happen. So this is again one of your biggest mistake. After you take one trade which is profitable, why you should take another one after 2 minutes? Why you should go into another trade to lose that money that you won? I mean, like this you will end up losing money, and like this you will not be able to grow your account because you are doing stupid things. I suggest you maybe to close your computer and go out and have some fun, or maybe I don't know what, in which country you are right now. Sorry, or maybe you should do something else, learn, or maybe shut me down, or maybe I don't know, you took your profits, you don't want to see me anymore. So why you should take and do the stupid mistake every time after you take a profitable trade to go into another one which you don't know exactly what will happen, okay? And you can end up losing your profits. So I want you to stop this, okay? So this is one of my best advice that I can give you. UK, nice weather, need to go for a walk in the park, lol. So you see, go in the park, have a walk, enjoy your time, enjoy yourself, feel like a king because you have won a trade, or maybe two. I don't know how many trades you took today. Maybe you are recovering some money, or maybe you don't and you are in profit. So just enjoy your time. This is about trading. This is, I mean, a trader, it doesn't mean that he has to stay 8 hours, 12 hours in front of the computer. This is a very stupid thing. I mean, who told you to do this is the stupid thing ever, okay? Don't do this. I'm staying, for example, in front of the computer, and I'm a full-time trader, but because I have you, I have a channel, I have people that they are waiting for me, I have people that they pay for how you say, for my signals, I have students that I have to be with them. So I wake up every morning at the same hour, at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I do the same thing every day. And when I'm finishing, I mean, sometimes I stay and I talk to people on the chat and so on, but I do it, okay, nobody's forcing me to do that, but I do it first of all because it's a pleasure. But the second thing is that it's a business, okay? So I really can say to myself that I am a full-time trader and that I'm profitable and that I really stay a lot of hours in front of the computer. But again, I take breaks, okay? And again, I do have some other stuff, how you say, than the forex market, okay? Like my family, because I do have a family. So I have a lot of things to do. So you should do the same. Trade, because a trade, it should be taken in about maximum half an hour. Take your trade and then go out and have fun and have a walk in the park and do whatever you want. So don't stress yourself too much, okay? And regarding GJ, it still has 16 minutes for this 30-minute candle to come back down. And maybe later on, because I don't know if I will still be on the live session with you. I mean, how long it will take for GJ to do exactly what I'm thinking. But if it's not doing right now exactly what I'm thinking. Maybe it's going to do it later on, and maybe we can have a good signal, because in my mind I can say that it's a very good signal for the price to come back down, and from here to reject and come back up. Okay, let me check also the 15 to see how it looks. And it seems like the price, it went exactly what I said. Sometimes I say to myself, my god, Madi, you are magic, but stupid in the same time, because you don't take the trade. Okay, but I really have some rules, and I really respect them, like don't trade at the news, don't do stupid things, I don't know, in the market, like take too many trades a day and so on. Sometimes I don't take any trades, and for example, with my group from my VIP, for example, if I don't do anything in 1 week, okay, so I don't send any signals, it doesn't mean that the next week I will not do anything. Okay, it's like if 1 week I'm not doing anything, it means that I will extend everything with 1 week more. So nobody's pushing me to do something, and I think nobody has to push you to do the same. Okay, and you should be very calm, you should be very relaxed, and wait for the best opportunity to come to you. Okay, and you to become profitable. So I really want to see what GJ wants to do right here. And in the same time, let me go on the 4-hour. If I'm going on the 4-hour chart, we still have 44 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. Okay, it means that 40 minutes the price will play somewhere here around this area. Okay, and the next 4-hour candle will come back down, retest from here and back up, or even more. So I think this can happen. Okay, so I'm thinking that here we have that strategy. If you remember the guys that they took courses with me, the magic 3 from here, maybe Georgia, if you are still here, you remember the magic 3, what it's doing. But if you don't remember, it's fine. So because also oh, look at EURJPY, it's pushing up. So because I took a new desktop, the Samsung. It's amazing. Yesterday I have ordered a new laptop, which is amazing. That Asus ZenBook, the Duo, that it has 2 displays. It's amazing. So because now I have all the tools, I think that I should start the Zoom session also with you here live, with all the people that they are on my group on educational, and plus all the people that they are coming from YouTube, and I think that it will be fine and fun. Now it will be very easy because my new computer is amazing. Okay, the old one, it was, let's say, didn't have too much memory. I had to change all the time new things, and I mean, it's not like a computer, it's more like a tablet. It's a tablet, but a very smart tablet. I don't know how to say, but I really like the new one. the new laptop. It's very nice, and I have put a video on my Instagram page. If you want to see it, it's amazing, amazing. So I have changed everything in my office, you know, and also a new camera. I don't know, maybe I should change also my mic, the blue one, the blue ball. I don't know, but I like it. It's more feminine. I don't know how to say. Maybe you have some ideas about mics. What do you say, Georgia? Here I have it. Save it on my desktop. Yes. Well, you remember the magic tree. What's going on right here? I mean, I cannot say too much because it's a part of the courses, but I hope that you understand what I am saying. So come on, GJ, move a little bit and give me exactly the direction that I want. So we still have about 10 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and to see how it's going to close right now. And maybe we can have a nice opportunity to have a buy, let's say not now, in the next 4-hour candle. What's going on here with my internet? So I can see that my internet is not going so well. I don't know what happened. I don't know. Okay, until GJ will decide what it wants to do, I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. I just wanted to say that okay, so we still have about 5 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close. Definitely I will not trade anything because also I remember that I have to, how you say, I have students, okay, in about 15 minutes, so I will not stay with you on the live session. I really forgot about the student. For those that they really want to trade the GJ, okay, take aware that if the price it will come back a little bit more, or maybe it's going to reject from this area, you can have a buy, and your target could be the first one here around this area of 152.200 area, or maybe even higher. And if you see that the price is going into your favor, then you can move your take profit, then you can move your stop loss at the break even, and you can have, let's say, like a second take profit somewhere here around 152.500 area. So if the price will reject, you can have a buy. If not, wait for the price to come back down even lower, okay? Maybe the price will come back down here. We don't know exactly, and we don't know only if we are waiting for the best confirmation. I'm saying this for a buy because also if we are looking on the 4-hour, we can see that the price is still rejecting from this area, from here, of 152 area, okay? And I'm still expecting that the next 4-hour candle to come back down a little bit, create like a wick, and then to come back up again and to retest again that area, okay? So don't overtrade, take care of you, okay? Don't use a bigger lot size, and see you tomorrow. And maybe tomorrow we really start, how you say, also with a Zoom session together on the YouTube, because also tonight I will stay to fix everything on my laptop, and I think that tomorrow it will be very fun, okay? So take care of you guys, okay? Bye.